Hey guys, it's Kevin Uta here from Voy Media with another ad of the week. And today I'm going to be going over this brand called Nabati Foods. And I want to be talking about the ad that they're running and then also the landing page or the product page that they're running. And I want to tell you my thoughts on this ad and also on how I think it could potentially be better. So let's watch the ad right now and just sort of see what it is. It says Nabati. Just in case you're wondering what the audio, it's just music. There's no text, there's no voiceover. It's just uh, the audio. And then again, so basically what you see here, it's the body, some sort of background, and then some slideshow of their eggs that they're showing. So from what I'm looking at, it's plant-based eggs. It comes in a bottle, and some things that I like about it is that it's the bottle, and then it shows you what the outcome is. I love that sort of kind of before and after. That's really good. Another thing, it says choose eggless. I think here that's fine. Nice little hashtag. This video for me is very brandy. I would make it a lot more direct response, adding more call to action, some of the benefits, some like 0%, whatever ingredients it's made out of, why it's unique, why it's different, and then again the call to action is get your breakfast pack shipped to your door. So again, very interesting copy. The copy doesn't really relate to it because it says like plant based eggs breakfast pack, and you'll see why a little bit because now let's say we're going to the landing page. It's going to take you to this website here, and now this website here it says Nabati plant eggs breakfast pack 25.96. Very interesting because now this is a breakfast pack. Even though the copy had it, it didn't talk about this cheese or mozzarella or this other thing behind here. It just showed this plant eggs. So here, I think the ad would have been better if it showed all the products that it had. And another big thing here too for me is that there's no reviews on this. Again, this is more of a conversion rate optimization. Yes, it could be a new brand. Maybe get some reviews, especially if you're running ads to it. Get someone to review your product. Get someone to buy it. Another thing that I think that these guys can do a little bit better job at is the packs quantities here. People always do this where it's like you have to manually do yourself. The brands that are doing the best are the ones that says like, hey, here's 25.96 for one pack, here's a 3 pack, and here's a 6 pack, and just have it a one-click sort of checkout for those packs. Um, that's sort of the product here. And like I said, that's just my critique of this brand. Company is called Nabati. I think it's a Canadian brand. They have free shipping over 45, so it's great to have an incentive. They also have Shop Pay, which is great. I think they can do a better job with the ads, making it a little bit more direct response. So those are my comments on the brand Nabati. Any questions or comments, feel free to email me, kevin@voymedia.com.